I'm Dean.
And I'm Ann. We are here at A&D Adventures on Timber Mountain. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We'd greatly appreciate it.
We are in the process of finishing up the last of the moldings to close up the door, airtight if you want. And you'll see on one of the pictures that we didn't finish it because the logs will have to be cut at 45 to make it a nicer opening.
So what you see we are doing right here is putting some moldings at the top of the door and insulating the top of the door so that the air doesn't flow through. We're also putting moldings on the side and in the middle of the two doors so it has a nice black frame all the way around.
These are nice doors. We enjoyed making them. And we also, when we were doing the moldings, we have Hanoband, which we use for the weather strip on the doors. The beauty of that is it absorbs the openings on the doors.
And thank you for watching.
Thank you.